Do you feel like you're trapped on an emotional roller coaster that never stops? One minute everything's fine, and the next anger erupts over something trivial, or sadness hits you out of nowhere. If you're in perimenopause or menopause, you're not alone. Mood swings are one of the most challenging and misunderstood symptoms of this stage of life. But here's the truth. It's not your fault, and you're not losing it. There's a real scientific reason for this emotional turbulence, and more importantly, proven ways to regain control. Welcome back to Menopause Wellness Journey. I am Ella Sage, and stay with me to uncover the truth behind menopause mood swings and how to take back your mental well-being. The main driver of mood swings during menopause is the fluctuation and eventual decline of sex hormones, primarily estrogen and progesterone. These hormones don't just affect reproduction, they are powerful modulators of your brain and mood. Estrogen and neurotransmitters. Estrogen plays a critical role in the production and regulation of neurotransmitters like serotonin, the happiness hormone, dopamine, reward and motivation, and GABA, your natural calming agent. When estrogen levels fluctuate and drop, these neurotransmitters go out of balance, leading to symptoms such as irritability, anxiety, sadness, poor concentration, and even panic attacks. Progesterone and calm. Progesterone is known for its calming effect. When its levels decrease during perimenopause, anxiety and insomnia can intensify, fueling emotional instability. Your brain in transition. Menopause is actually a period of major neuroplasticity. Your brain is adapting to a new hormonal environment. This recalibration can feel like mental turbulence. Areas like the prefrontal cortex, decision-making, amygdala, emotions, and hippocampus, memory, are particularly affected. Unfortunately, many women are invalidated when they talk about their mood symptoms during menopause. Let's bust a few myths. Myth 1. It's all in your head. Nope, mood swings have a solid biological basis. It's not a character flaw or weakness. Myth 2. You're just getting old. While aging plays a role, menopause is a specific hormonal event triggering these symptoms, and they can be managed. Myth 3. Hormone therapy is the only solution. While HRT is effective for many women, there are numerous non-hormonal strategies that can bring real relief. The good news? You don't have to just ride it out. Here are evidence-based strategies to stabilize your mood and reclaim emotional control. 1. Nutritional optimization. High-quality protein stabilizes blood sugar and provides building blocks for neurotransmitters. Omega-3 fatty acids is crucial for brain health and reducing inflammation, which impacts mood. Tryptophan-rich foods, serotonin precursors like eggs, nuts, seeds, and turkey. Avoid sugar and ultra-processed foods. These cause blood sugar spikes and crashes that destabilize mood. 2. Movement and exercise. Regular physical activity releases endorphins, improves sleep, and reduces stress. Both strength training and cardio are excellent choices. 3. Stress management and mindfulness. Meditation, yoga, breathing exercises, and spending time in nature can reduce cortisol and activate your parasympathetic nervous system. 4. Quality sleep. Sleep deprivation worsens irritability and anxiety. Prioritize 7-9 hours of uninterrupted sleep. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, keep the bedroom cool and dark, and ditch screens before bed. 5. Social connection and purpose. Stay connected with friends and family and find a purpose or hobby. These are critical for mental health. 6. Targeted supplements with guidance. Magnesium helps relax the nervous system. B vitamins, essential for energy and neurotransmitter production. Ashwagandha, an adaptogen that helps manage stress. 5-HTP, a serotonin precursor with caution and supervision. 7. Professional support. Don't hesitate to seek a therapist, a psychologist, or menopause specialist. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, can be highly effective. Here's something fascinating. Your brain during menopause is not broken. It's renovating. Think of it as a major home upgrade without a user manual. Neuroimaging studies from Harvard show that during perimenopause, the brain undergoes significant remodeling, especially in regions controlling mood, memory, and stress response. When estrogen drops, glucose metabolism in the brain declines, which can explain brain fog and mood swings. But here's the silver lining. This phase of neuroplasticity is an opportunity to build stronger brain pathways through lifestyle choices. Exercise, learning new skills, and stress management actually rewire your brain for resilience. Did you know that up to 90% of your serotonin, your feel-good neurotransmitter, is made in your gut, not your brain? The gut-brain axis plays a massive role in emotional health. During menopause, lower estrogen levels can alter your gut microbiome, increasing inflammation and affecting neurotransmitter production. Practical tip? Feed your gut bugs. A fiber-rich diet, fermented foods like kefir, sauerkraut, and probiotic supplements can help restore microbiome diversity, reducing anxiety and depression risk. Hormone replacement therapy, HRT, often gets a bad rap, but when used correctly, it can be life-changing. Studies show that HRT can reduce mood swings, hot flashes, and protect bone health. However, it's not for everyone. Risks include clotting or certain cancers for predisposed women. Alternatives, lifestyle strategies, phytoestrogens like soy, and non-hormonal medications, SSRIs, SNRIs can help. The key is individualized care. Don't go Dr. Google on this. Always consult a menopause specialist before deciding. Mother Nature has a few tricks up her sleeve. Adaptogens like ashwagandha and rhodiola help reduce cortisol and balance stress response. L-theanine found green tea promotes calm focus without drowsiness. Just one rule: supplements aren't magic bullets. Pair them with proper nutrition and exercise for maximum effect. Longevity researchers love this. Controlled stressors like sauna sessions, cold showers, and HIIT workouts increase resilience by boosting brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, your brain's miracle grow. And don't underestimate mental workouts. Puzzles, learning a new language, or even playing an instrument can help maintain cognitive health. Now let's build your mood rescue plan in 3 steps. 1. Foundation. Prioritize sleep, protein, and stress relief daily. 2. Power moves. Add strength training twice a week and a gut-friendly diet. 3. Enhancers. Consider adaptogens or targeted supplements if needed under medical guidance. Consistency beats perfection. This is about progress, not pressure. Finally, menopause mood swings are real, but they're not a life sentence. By understanding the science behind them and applying evidence-based strategies, you can not only manage but transform this phase of life. Remember, you are strong, resilient, and deserve to live this chapter with balance and confidence. The power is in your hands. Drop your comments below. Which strategy will you start today? If this video helped you better understand mood swings, give it a like, share it with other women who need this information, and subscribe for more science-based content on menopause and midlife wellness. Thank you for watching, and remember, you deserve to thrive, not just survive.